Hi guys, Jamie here from JB Motion. Now it has been a while since I put up a fresh tutorial, and unfortunately this isn't one, but what it is kind of a question to you all. What would you like to see? Now in a minute I'm going to play a video. It's just a personal project that I've been working on just for fun, and it's been broken up into a number of scenes. You'll be able to see that how it's been broken up just by the cuts. So there's about 5 scenes in the video. It's all compositing, all shot here in my office. So have a watch of the video, decide what scene it is you'd like to be broken down into a tutorial. Comment below, just write scene 1 or scene 2, whichever scene it is you'd like to see. And after a bit of time, maybe a week or a week and a half, I'll see what the comments are saying, see what you guys want to see, and then I'll break it down into a fresh tutorial. So just have a watch of this video, and I'll see you guys very soon.